Today, I'm taking the camera out. We're going for a car ride to BJ's and just capture while we get over there in the store, so this way you can see what color grading may do for you. I'm not a color grader because of my computer and softwares. So let's show you what we got and get on going. The Insta360 Luna Ultra in iLog, 4K 30 frames per second, morning sun with smoke. It is what you can kind of say glary, hazy, doesn't have color. This is a shot that has color, green, a little bit better, brighter. We have some roses and they are in the red, and we have above myrtles that are in the pinkish. We all know the color of shopping carts: fire engine red, and grab one, green grass, and there's the flowers. We all know what daffodil colors are. They are yellow. And you could color this bad boy as the best you can in. As we walk along, we got some flowers over here so you can take a look and get the colors you like in iLog. I do things real life, so this way you get an idea what things look like. Here's some more orchids. Colorful indeed. Those are Coke machines, recyclable machines, stop signs, and bricks. Cement shows color. In iLog, I want to make that school bus only and only yellow, showing up. Like I could do my Sony WX350 and HX9, 20, 50, and 90.
Get salad. Gotta wait till that clears.
Well, that's my trip. I hope you enjoyed the shot. Hope I was colorful wearing a gray shirt and got some colors in there for sure. Those cupcakes, they stood out. And let me tell you, enjoy your Insta360 Luna Ultra if you do iLog or not.